improved Hiretech HTF-2 Orbital sander, now with an added weight system, improving sanding productivity by up to 50%. Now I'll show you how the weight system is removed and how the machine operates in demo mode without the weight included. So the weight simply comes off the front here. It's filled with dry builder's sand, which makes the weight 25 to 30 kilos. So now we'll operate the machine without the weight fitted. So it's 50 kilos in total without the weight. So we'll release the handle here with that foot pedal. Of course, the HTF-2, unlike many other orbital sanders, has its own self-contained dust pickup and a light at the front. I'll also show you now how the machine is extremely portable. There's a knob there just to release, unscrew, and the handle comes straight out. A twist lock plug at the rear of the machine, and then the machine becomes extremely portable. Just lift it here and at the rear, and it can be easily put into the boot of a car. The machine also, of course, has its own dust bag at the back. It can be run with a vac also attached, but the dust bag picks up the majority of the dust. So now we'll add the weight system. Okay, push that foot pedal down again to release the handle. So as you can see here, with the weight system, it just sands so much more aggressively. So on decking, hardwood, and other floors, it's just going to be a lot more productive than what it is without the weight system. Of course, the papers come in ranges from 40 grit being the coarsest, 60, 80, 120 and 180 grits. So the machine is currently fitted with a 60 grit, so with a coarser grit paper, of course, it'll even cut more than it is right here. So, like I said, as you can see, it's sanded a lot more aggressively. This is only just a demo board, so it's moving around a little bit too. So on a nice stable floor, it'll cut perfectly even. So that was just a demonstration of our new Hiretech HTF-2 orbital sander with a new and improved weight system. Thank you for your time.